Hello and welcome to the first episode in this series of how to set up your niche site. I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to show you how to set up your domain name after you purchase it and how to put that onto your hosting account. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to namecheap.com. That's where I buy all my domains. The reason why I buy from them instead of GoDaddy is because they're initially a little bit more expensive, but you get free security for a year. Free WhoisGuard, that is, right here. And plus, after a year, GoDaddy jacks their prices up, and I don't know, I'm not a big fan of GoDaddy. So let's sign into my account. Okay, so we're just going to look at some random domain in my account. So that's what you see, your domains. I have a bunch of different things. A bunch of different websites that I had. These are a lot of websites that I had before I really knew what I was doing. So they're all just kind of sitting here. I'm not really using them. Except for this one. It's my home site, but for my company. But let's just go to this one right here. So you click on this, and should take you to. Okay, so now we're here on the homepage of this domain. Can I sell my iPhone.com? And there's all this stuff. But how do you set up your deal? How do you get it to point to your hosting account? So you look for this right here, domain name server setup. Click there, and you see I have my name server set up right here. And okay, so but like to get these, you have to go to your hosting account. So let's go to my hosting account. So I'll show you where to find those. So if you go to cPanel of any of your domains, it'll take you to your cPanel. And I have two separate passwords on my computer so that it's a little bit safer. And we're logging into my cPanel. This is the back end of my website. We do not want that. Okay, so if you have HostGator, which I have, HostGator. You scroll down on the right side, right here, it says name servers right here. These are your name servers. And as you can see, that domain I showed you had different name servers. That's because HostGator did, a couple months ago, they did a reset, but your old name servers still work. They gave you a completely new name servers. So they are different, but if I were to be setting up a new website, I would take these, copy and paste them, and put them into the new website, and then it's set up. It's pointing to my hosting account, but it's still not online. The next thing you need to do, if you're going to set up a WordPress site, I suggest you go to the software and services page, and Bluehost, everybody has this, so just because I'm on HostGator doesn't mean they won't have it. It's called Fantastico Deluxe. So you click on that. And then you see, it takes you here. You click on WordPress. Should take you to WordPress. And then you hit new installation. Install directory. I just leave that blank. And this is going to be your back end username and password. So put your username and password here that you're going to use for your back end. and then you put your account nickname, so whatever you want to show up whenever you're posting on your blog. So you put a post, it'll show up from whatever you put right here. Then you put your email and your site name, description, blah blah blah, and set up. I already have this set up obviously because that's my website. So now I'm going to show you how to log into your website. Okay, so this is one of my websites, pizzamakeracademy.com, something I never really got off the ground. Still, it's like a side project for me because I'm a pizza man, so I want to create like a website for people to learn how to make pizza. But that's besides the point. So you create your new website, and you do yp-admin, and this is how you log into your website after you have it all set up. So you let that load. And here we are, WordPress admin. I'm not going to log in because this is the end of the video, but that's how you set it up. So just a quick recap: you go to the place you buy your domain. Well, first just go to your hosting account, set it up. Go to your control panel where you can see your name servers. Then you want to go to on another tab, open up your Namecheap account. Click on the domain, then click on domain name services, and then enter your domain name servers from the other page, and then go to Fantastico Deluxe, set up the account, then put in your domain name /yp-admin and enter your username and password, and you're set to go. And that's how you set up your website. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to install themes and get your website off the ground. And we'll actually do a email opt-in page. I'll show you how to make one of those with lead pages in the next video.